If your Windows 11 laptop is slow, freezing, or running into errors, resetting the system is one of the fastest ways to fix the problem. Here is the simple step-by-step process. First, open Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows and the letter I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, choose the option called System on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you will see a section called Reset this PC. Click the button that says Reset PC. You will now see two choices. The first option is Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files like documents and photos. Choose this if you want to fix system issues without losing your data. The second option is Remove Everything. This deletes all files, apps, and settings. Choose this if you want a completely fresh start, or if you are giving the laptop away. Next, you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the internet. Or you can choose Local Reinstall, which uses the files already on your computer. Cloud Download is best if your system files are damaged. Local Reinstall is faster and does not require internet. Windows will then show a summary of what will happen during the reset. If everything looks correct, click Next. Finally, click the button that says Reset. Your laptop will restart and the reset process will begin. This may take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on your laptop. When the process is finished, your laptop will restart again and show the Windows setup screen. Just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. And that is how you reset a Windows 11 laptop quickly and safely.